Is your home styled or is it functional? Many sellers face living in their home while it is on the market, meaning they're forced to live in a home that must always be pristine. While you can't have a lot of your usual staple items as easily accessible, there are always ways to stage your home and still have it be functional. Style your home. We all love a good town and country interior, and the way to reach that level of appeal is by styling your home. Add plants, books, candles, and sculptures on coffee tables, but stay away from anything too personal. This allows a blank space to really thrive while still allowing room for potential buyers' imaginations. No one wants to see you living in their home. They want to picture themselves living there. Normally, when styling, we decorate in threes. For example, on a coffee table, you might have a book, succulent, and candle grouped together. Another thing you might look into is having matching decorative towels and a set of dishes. This creates a sense of unity and organization with the appeal of buyers. The layout of your furniture is another way to enhance your space. Many people overclutter their home for functionality, but remember, we're aiming for blank canvases for your buyers to imagine themselves in. Furniture can be moved, so take pieces away and open up the space. It could be very beneficial to the sale of your home. Something to always keep in mind, light and bright sells. Take window coverings off of your windows to let more light in and make your ceilings appear taller. A huge note, scent matters. Make sure to air out your home before showing. Wash bedding often and plug in a scent booster to keep your home smelling fresh and clean. Finally, and most importantly, declutter and organize closets, pantries, and garages.